Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Okay, when I mean like we stay locked in, so the trade is still going, everything is still perfect. So as you the screen, everything is still going. I wanna make a quick review how I cash this position and how I trade this position. If you guys wanna know how I trade like this, exactly like this, how I made my analysis to cash up this entry, I think you guys should hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. Comment what you wanna learn. I'm going to make a video about it. What you don't understand about forex, I think you should comment it. I'm gonna make a video about it. So just a quick review how I cash up this trade. It's not that much, it's not that expensive. I don't have to take your time. I think something quiet and what you have already known. You don't know this one, because if you did, you could have cash up with me. Let's go to the app. As you can see over here, the entry is much, though I'm taking the trade in different piles. The one that you are seeing here is commodity. We have some position on currency pile. We have some position in currency pile. So I'm just here to show you how I cash up this position, how I make the analysis. If you don't mind, stay tuned. Let me just make a quick explanation, because this video is not for me to teach you all details about my strategy, how I trade forex market. I'm just going to show you a little idea how I cash up this trade. Simple. I hope you are good. I know you are good. I know you are good because I'm not charging you to pay any amount, so we are good to go. So you can see over here, I'm drawing my trend line, which indicates the downtrend. After that, we still have another downtrend over here. Still have another downtrend over here. So this market shows the trend is bearish, though gold is trading bullish market. Gold is pumping high, so everybody's like gold is still on a bull, so we are still on a bull market. But sometimes when you see a quick setup like this sell, you grab it and continue with the bull market. But for me, for my analysis, after seeing this huge sell, because this is a huge sell for me, this particular entry is a huge sell, because I'm going to hold it throughout this week. I'm not a scalper trade. I don't scalp forex. I'm not a scalper. My trade took days, weeks. Like the highest was 2 weeks and 2 days. 2 weeks plus extra 2 days for me. That's how I trade. My trade took days. So, but my stop loss is few. My stop loss is tight, just a little bit tight. My stop loss is like close to a scalper stop loss. Yeah, some people do say day traders, like people that hold their trades for days, weeks, their stop loss is too long. No, when you know what you are doing, your stop loss is close. And on the norms in trading, stop loss is not bigger than your take profit. So I don't see the reason you risk the entire margin, the entire funds in your account. I don't see why you risk the entire funds in your account. Your funds should be maintained and managed properly. Learn risk management first. Don't be greedy. Greed have taught me a lesson, like not gonna lie, greed have taught me so much lesson. So I'm still learning from the market, because even the experts are still learning. The market providers are still learning. Everybody is still learning from the market, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm still learning from the market every day. Market bring out new pattern, because if you are using old strategy as of 2021, I don't think some strategy still work now. But what if I may tell you, like, I don't use money strategy? People will say, how? I don't use money strategy on forex market. People do say, like, market do change, market some kind of strategy will stop to work. Yes, it will stop to work, but I don't change my strategy. It's market that change. Market always change. It's not your strategy that change. When market change, your strategy is not changing. Your main work is not for you to change your strategy. Let me just shift this thing so that you can see it, how the market is going. So the main aim of you is not for you to change your own strategy. When market change, you don't change your strategy. I think I'm right. Am I right?
Yes.
Am I right?
Yes.
You're right.
I think we should make a quick research. Let's ask Google about it. Let's make a quick research. Let's ask Google about it.
One, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So that I can know what I'm doing. How do market change? Let me shift so that I can read it. Market change through the constant shifting balance of supply and demand. That is enough for me. When market change, I think I'm not going to learn a new strategy like I'm going to use. When market change, my strategy don't change. My strategy stay the same. When market change, my strategy stay the same. Everything stay the same. What I need to do, which is like, I think your mentors will not tell you this.
Oh my god.
Your mentors will not tell you this. When market change, I didn't change my strategy. To be honest, I adapt to the market direction and the behavior of the market. Sometimes if I used to sell on a demand zone, I know that this particular direction is not for a demand zone trade. It's for something else, and then I'll now look for that thing to trade. But my strategy is still the same. My analysis is still the same. It's only the market that changed, and then I've noticed it. So whenever I notice that the market has changed, I will now change the direction. So you can see on my two trend line. Let's go back to charts, guys. Let's go back to trade. So as you can see over here, my two trend line show me that the market is in bear market. It's a bearish market. So I'm still holding my trade. Let's check on GBPUSD. GBPUSD chart. You can see on GBPUSD the entry where the market is pumping now. You can see market is pumping up. You can see our entry. Let me scroll it down small so that this thing will be more white. Yeah. You can see over here our entry is quite sharp. Whenever we enter, market don't revise, market keep on. For now, over here now, I still have an opportunity to enter. Let me go to GBPUSD chart so that you can also see it here over here. This GBPUSD chart. Yeah, I'm like, I have a lot of opportunity to still to open another sell position, but for my risk management, I'm not gonna do it because market do change.
Yes.
So, and there's a particular zone that the market will find itself, because I'm not the one that control the market.
You're right.
A particular zone the market will find itself, either to close the position or to add another position. That is how I correct myself whenever the market change direction or market shift. So some people change their strategy when market shift, when market change, but I don't do like that. Let me show you something on GBPUSD. Let's make a quick review what I'm saying. Can see over here, people you call this order block. I think so. People will call this order block. Let's assume that this is our trend line. I'm showing this as an assumption, not how to trade. So take note before you open a position. So people will call this order block, but this is not an order block. This is not another block. Some traders will call it order block, and it show like it's another block. That is a market trap for you. It's not another block. We know how a perfect order blocks work. Perfect order block, we know how it works. So this is not another block, it's a trap. So when market is over here, some traders will now start to sell before you know market break it up and hit their stop loss. So whenever you see something like this, it's not another block. So quick going, I think let me find something I should let you guys know. Where will I see it over here now? When market change, I think I'm going to find it because it's very important. Some people will ask, is this real account? Is this like, I think it's demo account because I don't show whether it's real account. Sure, what you may think is not. So for you to think like whether it's real account or it's demo account, you can check the out over here. I think this one should be like a quick review. As you can see over here, it's real account, AVS real. As you can see over here. So on the side of the screen, the profit is still counting, so you can get it by yourself. So it's not something like maybe I'm showing you a demo account. So everything now is real account. I'm trading on in a real account. Some people may ask me, press the profit. Why are you leaving it? No. This profit I just want to withdraw it. I'm joking, sure. I'm joking, bro. So like a quick back to this thing on screen. So you guys can see it's the real account, not the demo account. Everything is real over here. So like if you're enjoying the way this trade is going, and if you want me to show you how I trade, like because knowledge is free, but not that free. Because you want to enjoy, like you want to trade the way I'm doing my own stuff. Just hit the like button, then share the video. If you want to like maybe you want to see this type of content always in your screen, hit the subscribe button so that anytime I upload any video like this, you're gonna see it, you're gonna be the first to watch, you're gonna learn something from it. But for now, I think I'm not going to teach for now because I have a lot to do for today. When it's time for me to teach, I will let you guys know. I just want to show you like a quick review, like how I catch this position, like how I trade this position, like how I made the analysis. Though the explanation is not that quite long, but maybe in the next video I'm going to explain it more better. But if you guys enjoying it, like you can drop in the comment section that you need an explanation about how I trade this particular trade. Just ask question about this particular trade only. You want like for me to make a video like how I made this, how I cash up this setup, my analysis, how I did it. I'm going to share it with you guys. Love you guys. So just share the video, subscribe, like the video, comment what you need. I'm active. I always read the comment. Even my bot is active. My bot is always active. I'm always active in your comment section. In the comment section, I'm always active in the comment section. Anything you have to drop, you drop it there. Let me check. You want this type of analysis? How I know when market change, when direction shifts, when news is about to shift the market direction. Drop it down. I think you guys have some courses online, but to be honest, I did not start with courses. For me, I didn't start with course. I don't have a mentor. I did it like from scratch. Like I learned it from what is forex. Like that is where I start. What is if you are a trader over here and you start with what is forex, you understand what I mean. How the economic is doing, how the currency is having strength, whether the currency is okay. Made some analysis. I made some analysis about Bitcoin, that Bitcoin is going to drop. Though like I was not popular, I was not that active, I didn't have luxury cars, so they did not believe. But now, right now, Bitcoin is so stay active. You are still active. So right now, let's make a quick check on GBPUSD. Oh my god. So people may ask, is this a crash? Like the market, what happened to GP economy? What happened to bounce economy? I think they are having a little issue. No. It's the analysis that is working. Everything is perfect. Though no analysis is perfect, no strategy is 100%, no, nothing is 100% in forex market. What is 100%? Like if you apply this, that is your 100%, your risk management, your like how to control your emotion and how to stay patient. That is the highest. Patient, don't be greedy. Like sometimes when I was new in this market, greed killed me a lot. Greed blew up my account a lot. Yeah, fear also blew my account a lot. When I'm in profit, sometimes I will lose it. When I'm in loss, sometimes like if with, let me say like I bought it over here. Let me say I bought it over here, and then this little week, you can see a little week over here. Here was where I bought it here, and then this little week I'll close my position because I don't want to see loss. I don't want to see any loss in my dashboard or in my trading history. I don't want to see any loss. No, you're gonna lose, bro. Sometimes you're gonna lose. So what will keep you in the market is like you apply your risk management. It's not something like you go and overdo. You apply your risk management perfectly, everything okay, and you have your own targets. Because me, I also have my own targets. People will ask me, where's your take profit on good? Let me show you on good. My take profit on good. Take profit on good. So you can see over here. Here's my take profit on good. 4,650.79. That's my take profit on good. So I said something like the way the market is moving, if the direction change, I'm going to close my position. If the market is still dropping, I'm going to hold my trade till the entire of the week, because some of my trade took days, weeks, like 2 weeks. Like my highest trade is like 2 weeks before market hits my take profit. The highest trade was 2 weeks, and maybe some like 2 days. 2 weeks plus extra 2 days before it then hit my take profit. So I'm not a day trader like maybe sometimes or a scalper that will scalp a little pips and close the position. No, my trade took days. That's how I trade. And my analysis, you guys gonna know my analysis.